Be honest, have you ever caught yourself thinking, if I just made a little bit more money, all my financial stress would disappear? Maybe you thought getting that promotion, landing a new job, or finally hitting that next income milestone would be the magic fix. But then it happens. You get the raise, the extra money hits your bank account, and for a few months, it feels incredible. But fast forward 6 months, you're right back where you started, still living paycheck to paycheck, still stressed, still wondering, where did it all go? If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Today, we are going to talk about why earning more money will almost never fix your finances and the one crucial psychological shift you have to make before another dollar hits your bank account. We naturally assume that a lack of money is an income problem, but for most of us, it's not. It's a psychology problem. Think about it like a leaky bucket. If your bucket has holes in it, turning up the water hose won't help you keep more water. It just means the water leaks out faster. This is what happens when you fall victim to something called lifestyle creep. When your income goes up, your baseline for what you consider a need magically goes up too. Suddenly, the older car doesn't feel reliable enough. The apartment feels too small. The occasional takeout turns into daily DoorDash. You aren't actually building wealth. You're just upgrading your expenses to match your new paycheck. This is the exact trap that keeps everyday people broke, no matter how much they earn. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Money only magnifies your existing habits. If you're terrible at managing $3,000 a month, you'll be catastrophic at managing $10,000 a month. You'll just buy more expensive problems. The people who successfully build wealth and quietly escape the rat race aren't necessarily making millions of dollars a year. Instead, they've mastered a completely different skill: retention. They understand that wealth isn't the fancy car you drive or the expensive clothes you wear. Wealth is the money you don't spend. It's the gap between your ego and your income. Earning more money is offense, but budgeting, saving, and managing your behavior, that's defense. And in the game of personal finance, defense wins championships. So what is the this that you need to change before earning more money will actually help you? You have to change your identity from a consumer to an investor. Stop upgrading. The next time you get a raise, a bonus, or a tax refund, pretend it never happened. Keep your expenses exactly the same as they were before. Give every dollar a job. Before the month begins, tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Pay your future self first. Automate your savings and investments. Treat your future financial freedom as your most important monthly bill. When you build these systems on your current income, you patch the holes in your bucket. Then, and only then, when you finally do increase your income, every extra dollar will stay in the bucket and actively build your wealth. Remember, true financial freedom isn't about making a fortune. It's about mastering the money you already have. If you want to break down more complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You have the power to change your financial future. Stop waiting for the next raise to save you and start building your financial defense today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.